The cell is the basic unit of life. All living things are made up of cells. Most cells go through the cell cycle, which is essentially the life cycle of a cell. During the cell cycle, cells grow, the DNA copies itself, and then the cell splits into two new cells. Let's take a closer look at what happens during the cell cycle. We will start with the orange section of the cell cycle. This is called interphase, and you can tell by the amount of orange that a cell spends most of its time in interphase. During interphase, the cell gets bigger and the DNA in the cell is copied. Now let's look at the yellow part of the cell cycle. This is called mitosis. During mitosis, the chromosomes, or DNA, are split up between what will become the two new cells. At the end of mitosis, there is a process called cytokinesis that occurs when the cell officially splits into two new cells. What do the chromosomes look like during the different stages of the cell cycle? Let's take a look. Under the microscope, we are looking at onion root cells. When you first glance at all of these cells, they look the same. But when we take a closer look, we can see that some of the cells, especially in the nucleus, look different. Now we'll increase the magnification to take a closer look at what the onion cell's chromosomes look like during the cell cycle. The cell is currently in interphase. Right now, this cell is growing and the DNA will be copied. Now let's look for some cells that are going through mitosis. There are 4 separate stages to mitosis. The first stage is called prophase. During prophase, the chromosomes or DNA coil up, and when you look at them under a microscope, they kind of look like a plate of worms. The next stage is metaphase. During metaphase, the chromosomes line up at the equator of the cell. The next stage is anaphase. During anaphase, the copies of the chromosomes are being pulled apart to opposite ends of the cell. You can see when they are being pulled apart how 2 new groups of chromosomes of DNA are being formed. The last stage of mitosis is called telophase. During telophase, we see that the 2 new nuclei are forming and we have 2 identical groups of chromosomes. The only thing left for the cell to do is split in half to make 2 new cells. In animal cells, the cell just pinches into 2 new cells. However, we can see in these plant cells that there is a cell wall and the cell can't just pinch into 2. In plant cells, a cell plate forms between the 2 new nuclei until a complete wall is built. Now we have 2 new cells. These 2 new cells will continue through the cell cycle again. When cells continually go through the cell cycle, it helps organisms to repair their bodies and to grow. So the next time you notice that a cut is healing or you're getting just a little bit taller, just remember your cells are dividing.